is where every exhaust system starts on the design table.
Precision is everything with this alloy. Just a little more pressure.
The curve needs to be perfect.
Just a little more pressure.
Hold it steady.
Steady now, just a little more.
Make sure the insulation is packed tight.
One more pass on this joint.
This setup should reduce back pressure significantly.
That's the sound we're chasing.
Hold the angle steady.
Emissions are peaking just past idle speed.
Hold the line steady.
Hold steady, we need this shot clean.